Talk about versatility. The ultra-slim and light Spin 3 convertible laptop functions like a traditional laptop, but with the hands-on tactile user experience of a tablet. The Rechargeable Active Stylus is certified by Microsoft and integrates Microsoft Pen protocol. The Rechargeable Active Stylus is perfect for drawing and taking notes at the same time as using fingers. The stylus's dock keeps it safe from loss and also acts as a charger. The 14-inch full high-definition IPS touch display also boasts a 0.38-inch thin bezel, which helps provide a 78.9% screen-to-body ratio and more screen real estate. The Spin 3 comes with dual-band Wi-Fi with MIMO, a standard that offers faster wireless speeds and can handle more devices at once. The Spin 3 meets all your daily computing needs with a fast CPU and long 12 hours of battery life. Maximize efficiency with an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor. Smoothly and quickly view and edit applications and videos. The Spin 3's dual front-facing speakers provide clear loud sound in all of its modes. Just rotate the revolutionary 360 degrees hinge and convert from a laptop to display, pen or tablet mode. It even comes with a rechargeable stylus that docks right into the PC. Its specifications are 14 inches full high-definition IPS touch, 8th generation Intel Core i7, 16GB DDR4 and fingerprint reader. To buy Acer Spin 3 convertible laptop on Amazon, click the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel Top Tech Reviews.